Today we will discuss second part of the exercise 4.2. Question number 1 and 2 we have already done. Now I'll discuss question number 3. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. This type of problem we have done in question number 1 and 2. So I'll take the first one. 3n minus 2 equals to 46. If you remember that question number 1 and 2, only one operation you had to do. Like if it is subtraction, means only subtraction is there. Okay, but here one is multiplication and one is subtraction. So you have to do two operations. Okay. So first I'll remove this minus 2. What you have to do? Add 2 on both the side. Okay, so 3n minus 2 plus 2, 46 plus 2. I have added 2 because minus 2 plus 2, it is 0. Okay, that's why I have done. So what will remain here? Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So 3n will remain here, and 46 plus 2 is 48. Now I have removed 2. Now I have to remove 3. Okay, to separate the variable. Here it is multiplication. So we have to divide 3. We have to divide both the side by 3. Okay, so that my next step is divide both the side by 3. What will I get? 3n by 3 equals to 48 by 3. So 3 will get cancelled, n will remain here. So now we have to check the divisibility of 48. We have to check whether this 48 is divisible by 3 or not. 4 plus 8 is 12, and 12 comes in 3's table. So 48 is divisible by 3. So if I divide 3 ones are 3, 16. Okay, that means both numerator and denominator I will divide it by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and this is 16. So my answer is 16. That means value of this n is 16. Okay. Next I will discuss question number C. It is 20p by 3 equals to 40. Now first I have to remove this 3, and here it is division. So what I have to do? I have to multiply both the side by 3. So multiply both the side by 3. So what will I get? 20p by 3 into 3 and 40 into 3. So 3 will get cancelled. So what will remain? 20p equals to 120. Now I have to remove this 20. Now it is multiplication. So what you have to do? You have to divide both the side by 20. So divide by 20. I am not writing, but it is divide both the side by 20. In short I am writing. Okay, so what will I get? 20p by 20 equals to 120 by 20. Okay, so 20 will get cancelled, p will remain here. Now this 0 will get cancelled, so 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So answer is 6. That means value of p is 6. Okay, and your homework will be B and D. Now, before discussing question number 4, I want to say, if this 15, that means I have to remove these 3 and 5. So you can say that first I can remove these 3 and then I can remove 5. Okay, so if I have to remove this 3, that means I have to divide this by 3. So that means now here what happens, this process is becoming complicated rather being simplified. Okay, so generally we remove these 5 first, then we remove this. Okay, now we will discuss question number 4. Question number 4 is solve the following equations. Okay, that means here you have to solve the equation. You have to find out this value of this variable. Okay, and it is not mentioned that you have to write steps, or you don't have to write steps here. That means your solution, this solution become more easy for you. So first is 10p equals to 100. Okay, you have to do the way we are doing in the earlier questions, but here you don't have to write steps. Okay, that means here it is multiplication. So what you have to do? You have to divide both the side by 10. Okay, so this 10 will get cancelled, p will remain here. So here is your answer. Only difference is you don't have to write the steps where you are separating the variables. We will do question number B. 10p plus 10 equals to 100. I have told you here. So what you have to do? You have to remove this 10 first, then this 10. Okay. So 10p, how it will can be removed? Plus 10 minus 10. Okay. So that means, so this will become 0 or will get cancel 90. Now divide both the step by 10. So what will remain here? P equals to 9. Okay. Now I will do question number G. 3s plus 12 equals to 0. Okay. Now 3s plus 12 minus 12 equals to 0 minus 12. Okay. So 3s, this will be 0. So equals to minus 12. So s equals to, you have to divide both the side by 3. So this 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Okay. Don't forget this minus. Solution is minus 4. sometimes you forget to write this negative sign. So your answer is, if it is a minus sign there, you have to write that also. Your solution is -4. Your homework will be C, F, H, J and L. Thank you.